Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Tinder application on your phone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So, in order to download Tinder application on your Android device, first open up your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Tinder and make your search. You're going to see the Tinder application displayed in the search result. Simply tap on the install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on the open button to launch the application. Open the application and this is how you'll be able to download a Tinder application on your Android phone. Log into Tinder with Google account or Facebook account, or you can also log in using your phone number. This is how you'll be able to download the Tinder application quickly and easily. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Drop down the queries and feedback if you have any in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.